Yeah, that's right. We got them big old hoovers out. Got the front rims back on the Mustang. Got the struts back on the Mustang. Gonna put the rear wheels back on the Mustang and then drop that thing in there. Been a minute.
Hell yeah.
Look at that. Sally back on the ground.
Keys in this?
Yeah, the keys are in it. Why, you gotta move it?
I'm just gonna put it. Dude, that don't make you smile nothing but.
Daisy, the Mustang's on the ground. What are your thoughts on this? Come over here. Come over here. He's literally just gonna back up. Come over here. Are the keys not in it? They're over on, they're on the rocker. They're on the rocker of the Mustang.
This side?
Yeah. Daisy sniffed them out. Daisy sniffed them out.
Way to go, dude.
What do you think, Daisy? Okay. She's like, I gotta taste that. We got the motor plate on the motor. We got the engine hoist out. Sally's turned around, and we are gonna attempt to put that engine inside, back in Sally. It's a shame it's not a 959, but
It will be soon.
maybe one day. Sally back on the ground with the motor handle. Ain't got no intake on her, but she's all right. She's topless. She's up in the air with the motor in her.
I know, the motor.
Well, the motor, now we just need to...
That Fulton power up in the rails.
Yeah, that Fulton power. That Fulton power. So now all we need to do now is just start completing systems. Fuel system.
Systems.
Yep. All over again what we did about a year ago.
It's all right. We're going testing in October.
Yeah, yep. Got that 102 in that, and we're trying to see what it is. So, and you're cooking some steaks.
Cooking steak.
Let's see these steaks.
Our Sunday night steak night.
Sunday night steak night. Steaks on the
A little
grill.
different tonight, though.
Yeah.
Somebody will be dining somewhere else.
Yeah.
But that's okay.
But it's okay. It's just like Uber Eats.
That's right.
You know? Uber Eats.
Gina B's on her way home from dinner, or work, I mean.
Yep.
We'll have our fat, warm steak at Nick and Gina's house.
But we made some good progress on the Mustang, and I am super excited to be able to go back racing with this thing, which hopefully is going to be here in the next couple weeks or so. It might have bullhorns on it. I don't know. I priced out a set of what it would cost to build a set, and I was kind of like, damn.